Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your GMC remote battery. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to open the remote casing. Crucially, have a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery ready. This common battery powers many key fobs. Also, ensure you have adequate lighting to clearly see the small components. Now, let's open the remote. Look for a small notch or seam along the edge of your key fob. This is where you'll begin. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this opening. With a gentle twist or prying motion, the two halves of the remote casing should begin to separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the remote open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note which way the positive, or plus, side is facing. This is important for correct installation. Gently pry out the old CR2032 coin cell battery from its slot. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the exact same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your remote. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all buttons and components are properly seated. Press the halves together firmly until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Once closed, head to your GMC vehicle and test all the remote's functions, like locking and unlocking, to confirm successful battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.